So once you've done the majority of those surfaces there, what I then recommend using is an interbrace brush, or a smaller headed brush, which looks a little bit like this. Okay, so there are lots of different products on the market at the moment, and the idea is you're looking for something which has a small tuft of bristles there. And the ideal way to use this here is between the actual brace and the teeth. So if you look closely there, you'll notice that the actual bristles weave underneath the wire, and the idea is to get up right by the edge of the brackets here with the brush, and that will make sure that you're reaching these surfaces beneath the wire here, which is usually quite hard to reach with your normal toothbrush, and it will allow you to get rid of any debris that has accumulated between the actual brackets. Okay, so I'd recommend doing this twice a day as well as your normal brushing. If you are short of time because of your daily routine, you've got work to go to, or you have to go to school, and you've not left yourself with much time in the morning, then I'd say the night time is the more important time to be focusing on this, because when you go to sleep at night times, that's when your saliva flow rate reduces, and it can encourage bacteria to thrive if there is plaque accumulation on the teeth. So that should do the trick in terms of removing all the plaque from the surfaces of your teeth and from around the edges of your braces.